You're watching Lock Picking Legend, and this lock says specialist on it. It's a very cheaply made lock. Excuse me, mate, when you put specialist on it, can you put it really near the top so the composition is all out and it looks rubbish? Yes, certainly, mate, no problem. Sometimes these cheap locks can provide very weird little problems, although not this one. We're a bit of single pin picking first, working from the back, moving forward, looking for binding pins, and then just picking them. There's one, there's another one. Get in there, go back to the back. Five's good, four, three needs a bit of work, two is good, one is good. What's happened here then? Four. Four's the problem. Come on. Using the tension tool's leverage there. Can you see that? There you go. Specialist lock. What else can we do? I'll tell you what. This is called zipping. It's a raking technique. You just go to the back of the lock. Some people call it some people call it ripping. Call it what you want. Call it Graham if you want. But always worth a try if you're having trouble SPPing, because very occasionally you'll you'll Graham the specialist lock open. Sentence I never thought I'd say. Back of the pick, specialist. That was just the back of the pick. What else? Bogota rake. Just the base. Oh, God. Didn't even have time to tell you anything about that. What else have we got here? King of EPGs, the Kronos. Oh, it's upside down. Try again. There you go. That lock is specialist. It isn't. It's rubbish.